happening, guys? Well, since we're going to have the glue and stuff out today on the E-Flite 300 Extra 3D and the carbon cub with the Safe Plus, it's got GPS and stuff in it here. I'm still waiting. Maybe Mike will change his mind, because I think I can fix this thing up pretty good and he might want it back. So that it wouldn't bother me a bit to give it back to him. But I think he wants one that's unscrunched, and I can't get all the scrunches out. I mean, it's never going to look perfect. It is accordioned a little bit, so it's going to take a little bit of work. Anyway, I might as well get them both going here. So hold tight. We're going to do this in speed photography or time lapse, so that it doesn't bore the hell out of you. And since YouTube is messed up with their music studio lately, and I can't seem to get any music downloaded with my videos, I might have to fall back on what comes with my video editor. But I'll turn the music down a little bit so you don't have to hear it, because they are really some horrible, horrible tunes. All right, but with that, hold tight and we'll get this thing rolling. Okay. Hope you guys are having a nice week so far. Happy Monday.